What's up, Daily Vlog coming to you live. I wanted to come on here and talk about the Grammys. It is definitely a dream of mine to be recognized at that level for some kind of way or being involved in some type of project. But this video isn't necessarily about me. It's about two artists that really stuck out to me. And I know there's more stories and more things going on, but it's Kendrick Lamar and Beyonce. So Kendrick Lamar, I think, took home 3 or 4 Grammys. I'm still, but the thing that I saw that was the craziest, I think he got Song of the Year with Not Like Us. Now, this is the first time that I've ever known a diss track to go this far that has been so generally accepted by the public. And I'm a Drake fan. I like the R&B singing and stuff, but I can't deny how his song I think resonated with a lot of people. And I was like, dang, I didn't think people didn't like Drake that much. But it's taking on its own. That's what you want a song to do. You put a song out, and then this is more than viral. This is like it took its own life and it just went into any artist who want that. Any music producer who does a track will want that type of energy on a song. And you know, despite what you think about that beef battle and all that stuff, you know, I think it was pretty much decided by the public before this, but dang. And then on top of that, you go into the Super Bowl, winning a Grammy like that, and the year of 2024 leading up to this. I haven't seen something like this in a long time that I can recall. And I would imagine what it would be like to be the producer. You know, I produce tracks. What it would be like to just know that your beat has been on a song that went this far. Now, this isn't nothing new for DJ Mustard, but you know, those are the type of positions or type of things I dream of to experience. And you know, I to see it happen in real time, it's just like, wow, you're just impressed and you're happy for them. You know, as far as I don't know, I don't know what Drake has got going on. And I don't mean that. Sometimes when I talk, I make people laugh because of the way I say it, because I'm saying it in a very tactile way, or I try to be tactful when I speak. But you know, I don't know what's going on, but I'm sure he probably has some things up his sleeve. Super Bowl will probably be the peak of this thing. If the Grammys wasn't the peak, this was the peak. And then on top of that, we got Beyonce, I think, winning Country Album of the Year. And she put her foot in that album. I ain't gonna deny it. I'm one of those people that's like, how do I put it? It's like you can't. It's like I'm one of those people that's like, I can't stand Beyonce. Now, don't clip and cut right there. What I mean by that, you can't stand it because it's always so good. You can't stand it because it's consistently top level. You can't stand it because the production is always, and it's like, dang, I can't stand. And then, you know, everybody likes the song. You hear it, you never get tired of a song. So that's what I mean by the whole can't stand thing, right? That's what I mean by can't stand. But it's not a negative or hate. It's like, dang, yeah, that song's another banger. Yep, that, you know, and but I don't have to be. I choose to be happy for her. From what I could tell from that short interview, I saw clips of it. You know, she was very appreciative and happy to have that. Or was it album of the year? I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's early. I just wanted to jump up and do a vlog and just share my thoughts about the Grammy. I know there's a whole lot more going on that I'll have to get caught up on. I was out gigging last night, so I didn't watch it. I was gigging, doing my music thing, you know. I couldn't do that. I couldn't catch it. So I got up, caught some clips, getting ready to go to that 9 to 5 and do that. Yeah. So I've been making changes. If you came to this part of the video, then I guess you really ride with me on this. I've been making changes to the videos. Well, I've been making changes. I'll show you. So over here is my place where I created music, and I decided to make some changes to my whole setup because things were just, it was very difficult to manage it all. When you have a lot of stuff, a lot of wires, you know, I'm going to talk about that in the video. That's not what this video is about. This video is about the Grammys. I'm going to keep it that. But I'm going to talk about the changes I'm making in my studio for the better. But yeah, congratulations to Kendrick. Congratulations to Beyonce. This is uncut. I didn't plan this. I just wanted to make a video because I like shooting videos. I like making content. I've been doing so since I was a kid. So with that being said, hope you like this. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.